Hello student, today I will discuss about the human resources development. HRD. HRD has been defined by the various scholars in the various ways. Some of the important definition HRD as follows. According to the Leonard Nadler, human resources development is a series of the organized activity conducted within the specialized time and designed to produce behavioral changes. In the words of the Professor T.V. Rao, HRD is the process by which the employees of an organization are helped in a continuous and planned way to acquire or sharpen capabilities required to perform various functions associated with their present or expected future roles. Develop their journal capability as individual and discover the exploit their own inner potential for their own or organizational development purposes. Third is the develop an organizational culture in which superior subordinate relationship, teamwork, and collaboration among sub-units are strong and contribute to the professional well-being, motivation, and pride of the employees. According to the M.M. Khan, human resource development is the cross of the increasing acknowledged capabilities and the positive work attitude for all people working at all levels in the business undertaking. The concept of the human resources development. The human resource development in the organization context is the process by which the employees of an organization are helped in a continuous or planned way. Ways to acquire or sharpen capability required to perform the various functions associated with their present and expected future roles, develop their general capability and as individuals and discover the exploit their own inner potential for their own organizational development purpose. Develop an organization culture in which supervisors, subordinate subordinate relationship, teamwork, and collaboration among the subunit are strong and contribute to the professional well-being, motivation, and pride of the employees. HRD function. HRD play a three function. First, training and development, organizational development, career development. Training and development. Training, improving the knowledge, skills, and attitudes of the employees for the short term particular to the subject specific job or task, that is, for example, employee or orientation, skills and technical training, coaching, counseling. Development, preparing for the future responsibility while increasing the capacity to perform at a current job. Management, training, and supervisor development. Organizational development, the process of the improving an organization effectiveness and members of well-being through the application of behavioral science concept. Focus on both micro and macro level. HRD play a role in of changes agent. Career development, ongoing process by which individual progress through the series of the changes until they achieve their personal level of the maximum achievement. Career planning and career management. Difference between the HRD and HRM. Both are the very important concept of the management, especially related with the human resources of the organization. Human resources management and human resource development can be differentiated on the following grounds. The human resource management is mainly maintain oriented, whereas the human resource development is development oriented. Organization structure in the case of human resource management is independent, whereas human resource development create a structure which is interdependent and interrelated. HRM mainly aim to improve the efficiency of the employees, whereas aim at development of the employee as well as organization as a whole. Responsibility of the HRD is given to the Personal and Human Resource Management Department and especially to Personal Manager, whereas responsibility of HRD is given to all manager at various levels of the organization. HRM motivates the employee by the giving them monetary incentives or reward, whereas human resource development stresses on motivating people by satisfying higher order needs. Feature of HRD. The essential feature of the HRD can be listed as follows. Human resource development is a process in which employees of the organization are recognized as its human resource. It believes the human resource is the most valuable asset of the organization. It stresses on the development of human resource of the organization. It helps the employees of the organization to develop their general capabilities in relation to their present job and expected future role. It emphasizes on the development and best utilization of the capabilities of the individual in their interest of the employees and organization. It helps in establishing better interpersonal relations. It stresses on the developing relationship based on trust, confidence. It promotes team spirits among employees. It tries to develop competency at the organization level. It stresses on the providing health climate for the development in the organization. HRD is a system. It has several subsystems. All these subsystems are interrelated and interwoven. It stresses on the collaboration among all subsystems. It aims to develop an organizational culture in which there is good senior subordinate relation, motivation, quality, and sense of the belonging. It tries to develop competence at individual, interpersonal, group, and organizational level of to meet organizational goal. It is interdisciplinary concept. It is based on the concepts, ideas, principle of the sociology, psychology, and economics, etc. It forms on the employee's welfare and quality of work life. It tries to examine or identify employees' needs and meeting them to the best possible extent. Benefit of the human resources development. Human resources development nowadays is considered as the key to higher productivity, better relations, and greater profitability for any organization. Appropriate HRD provide ultimate benefit to the concerned organization, and some of the important benefits are being given here. HRD make people more competent. HRD develop new skill, knowledge, attitude of the people in the concerned organization. With the appropriate HRD program, people become more committed to their job or work. People are assessed on the basis of their performance by having a acceptable performance appraisal system. An environment of the trust and respect can be created with the help of human resources development. Acceptability toward changes can be created with the help of HRD. Employees found that themselves better equipped with problem solving capability. It improves the all round growth of the employees. HRD also improves team spirit in the organization. They become more open in their behavior. Those new values can be generated. It also helps to create an efficiency culture in the organization. It leads to greater organizational effectiveness. Resources are properly utilized and goals are achieved in a better way. It improves the participation of the worker in the organization. This improves the role of the worker, and workers feel a sense of pride and achievement while performing their job. It also helps to collect the useful and objective data on the employees program and policies, which further facilitate better human resource planning. Thank you.